Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the delegate registration table. So we can navigate to the delegate registration table just by going down on the left-hand side to delegate table. So this is where we're going to be able to see all the information about the delegates who have registered for our event. So at the top, we can sort of at a glance see how many registrations we have, how many of those have paid, how many of those have invoiced, how many are in progress, and then how many have cancelled. So that's just to give you a kind of snapshot of what's going on. Then further down, we can see the table itself. So we can see in here all of the information that the delegate has entered into the form, and also information just about the delegate themselves, such as their name, email address, when the form was last updated, and their ticket number, and so on. If they have invoiced, we'll be able to download the invoice from here. And then again, we can see things such as the delegate registration status and payment method. And we can actually override these as administrators at any time. So if somebody is marked as invoiced here, and we get that payment into the bank account, we can then override this and then mark it as paid. Going across, we can also see other information. So now we're going to start to see the information they've put in the registration form. And things like their tickets that they've selected and the prices. And with this, we can also we can choose which columns are visible at any time. So if something's missing from the table, it may just be that it's not checked in the column section. Here as well, we can delete registrations. And we can also download all of this registration data into an Excel spreadsheet. So if we download it when none of the rows are selected, it's going to download all of the rows that I can see in my table. If I only want some of that information, I can just select some of the rows, and then now when I do the export, it's going to just include these rows here. And another really good thing about the export is that in the column which has the invoices, those are actually going to be links as well. So when people click into those cells in the Excel spreadsheet, they are going to be taken to the actual invoice. And then there's a few other things we can do with this table. So if, for instance, there's some longer text which is being truncated, we can untruncate those cells. We can also go into full screen mode, and then here we have the option to clear filters. So we can filter on any column, and if we have a lot of filters and we want to get rid of them, we can just use this button here. Also from here, we can actually just click into the registrations themselves and then see all the data for a registration in this way. So here we can see sort of where the registration is at. We can see here in this instance that there's actually been a price change, and this person needs to accept the updated price. As an administrator as well, you can go in and edit any of these submissions, or sorry, registrations. So you can override what they've added in here, for instance. Okay, so this really summarizes the delegate table. Thank you for watching.